Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay non-US based contractors using Gusto Payroll. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering if Gusto Payroll is right for them. Maybe you want to go ahead and pay your contractors and are wondering if Gusto can actually pay these non-US based contractors. So to simply put, Gusto is able to pay non-US based contractors on its platform. And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll get $100 sent back to you. So here we are on Gusto. And if we click on pay and then click on pay contractors, we're going to click on pay contractors outside of the US. And then from here, we're just going to select one of these contractors that I have been paying and then click on new payment. Now, once you do that, you just need to go ahead and enter the amount and it's going to be done via direct deposit. So we'll just say 1682 and then click on next. And then from here, you'll see a review and submit option. So you just need to make sure that you're reviewing the correct amount and how it's going to be deposited, when it's going to be deposited, and the estimated date that it's going to be received. Well, if this all looks good to you, you're just going to click on submit. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pay non-US based contractors using Gusto Payroll. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.